100 cups of coffee, 500 cigarettes, 1,000 miles of highway, and I ain't forgot her yet. But I keep on moving, I keep moving down the line. There ain't nothing in my mirror, just a cloud of dust and smoke. But what do you expect when some old trucker's heart gets broke? Yeah, truckers' hearts get broke. But them big wheels of rubber gonna rub her off of my mind. I'm a highway junkie, I need that old white line. 10 miles out of Nashville, I was doing 101. State boy pulled me over and he said, "Where's the fire, son?" He said, "Where's the fire, son?" I said, "Man, there ain't no fire, I'm just running from a flame." "Go on and write your ticket, but I ain't the one to blame." That county judge tried to rob me blind, but them big wheels of rubber gonna rub her off of my mind. I'm a highway junkie, I need that old white line. So I rolled on down to Memphis, I had nothing left to lose. I wanted to hear some rock and roll, but all they played was blues. I didn't want to hear no blues. So I went to call up Elvis, and Roger Miller grabbed the phone. He said, "Drive that 18-wheeler, boy, you're the king of the road." Said I was the king of the road, and them big wheels of rubber gonna rub her off of my mind. I'm a highway junkie, I need that